your lips look a bit ugly. I think they need
Let's see what your hair looks like after this, Moody Margaret. 3, 2, 1. Huh? What? Oh, restarting countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Henry!
Oh, Henry! Sorry, Mum. That was meant for Bogey Brain.
Oh, and who is Bogey Brain?
Oh, yeah! Oh.
Margaret. Oh, poor Margaret. You need to stay out of trouble, young man.
What?
And you can start by digging a hole for my new rose bush.
Me? Dig? No! Is that you, Peter? A dog? Wow! Where did you come from? Whoa! Stop it! Stop it!
Henry?
Quick in here before Mum sees you. Are you hungry? This is my secret biscuit stash. Do you want one? I wonder if you've got a name. I think I'll call you Basher. That's Moody Margaret. And that's Sour Susan. Look, Basher, girls.
Would you like a custard cream, Lady Susan?
Don't mind if I do, Madam Margaret.
Basher, no! Oi, Margaret, Susan! Over here!
What do you want? Get lost, Henry!
I've got a joke.
Oh, go on then, but it had better be good.
Right, now how does it go again? Ah, what's got 4 legs, 4 eyes, and smells of stinky cheese?
Don't know. What's got 4 legs, 4 eyes, and smells of stinky cheese?
You two!
Oh, ha ha, Henry. What? Where's my picnic?
That was brilliant, Basher! Here you go. Good boy.
Henry?
Oh, it's Peter. Stay here, boy. Shh.
Mum wants to know how you're getting on with the hole. Oh.
You don't need to tell, Peter.
Oh, yes, I do.
What are we going to do now, Basher? Hey, good boy, Basher. Dig as big a hole as you can. Wow, boy, you can really dig. Huh? You can stop now, Basher. Stop! I said stop! Stop! Good job, Basher. Almost too good.
Henry, I'm coming outside now.
Uh-oh. How are we going to get out of here? Good boy, Basher. Now we need to fill the hole in a bit.
Henry?
Faster, faster!
Henry! Oh, my goodness. That's quite a hole.
Yes, I'm the fastest digger in the West.
Oh, well done, Henry. Smashing job. How did Henry dig that hole so fast?
And what's this? A strange footprint. And what's this? I'm going to take this back to my lab for analysis. Detective Peter is on the case.
Oh, poor Basher. Out there all alone. Hope he's okay. I know.
This is definitely not a human hair, and it's not one of Henry's either. Aha! Just as I suspected, this hair belongs to an animal.
Hello, pal. Here, have one of my special biscuits. And here's something else to keep you company. Mr. Kill is my right-hand man. He'll look after you. Night-night, Basher.
What are you up to, Henry?
Out of my way, maggot face.
I'm watching you.
You get weirder every day.
I'll find out. Oh, yes, Henry. I'll find out. In a hurry, are you, Henry?
Don't you have some stamps to collect or something?
You're hiding something, and that something is in here. Ta-da!
Basher, where are you?
Aha! Who's Basher?
What have you done with him? Come on, Basher. Where are you?
If you tell me what you're looking for, I could help you, you know. Lost. One little dog. Found. One big reward.
A reward?
And a lost dog. Is that what you were looking for, Henry?
He's my friend.
But he doesn't belong to you, Henry. I'll tell Mum.
No, don't! Oh, all right then. If you help me find him, you can have some of the reward.
Half.
What do you want half for?
The 1913 Seahorse 5-shilling stamp. It's a masterpiece.
All right, pea-brain. Help me and it's yours.
Deal.
Oh! My bacon! Where's my bacon gone?
Basher! Oh, there you are, Basher. Basher, my friend, it's time for you to go home. I'll miss you too. Now let's get you out of here.
Henry! Henry!
It's Ralph. What should I do?
Just get rid of him.
Good morning, Ralph.
Hey, Peter. Henry out here?
Henry? No.
Oh, your mum said he was here. What was that?
I didn't hear anything.
Someone's calling me.
It's just a dog barking somewhere.
Oh, okay. See you later, Squirt.
Phew, that was close.
Come on, Basher. Let's get you out of here without Mum seeing. Eureka! That's it! Ready? Let's go! Oh, just pray Mum isn't looking.
Huh? Henry? Peter?
Yes, Mum?
Henry? Who's that with you? Oh, hello, Ralph. I thought you'd gone.
Yes! We did it! Oh, Basher. You were a good friend.